Everybody repeat after me. Opportunity, is greater than money. Opportunity, is greater than money. Now somebody tell me why. Hands up. Come on, let's go.
More opportunity, you have more money, you have a chance to make.
Exactly. Now, if people give you the chance, then you can open the door. But when you open that door, you got to have your bags packed. You got to be ready to go. There are some things that I will do because the opportunity will put me in a circle that I can't reach on my own. So as you're planning your business, always be thinking about who you need to be selling to and who you need to be working with. I'll give you a perfect example. Yesterday I was talking to a guy. I told him I've been to Africa. He said, "Oh, great. I'm an engineer. I would love to talk to you about a water purification system that I have." I said, "Okay, what does it do?" "Well, it purifies the water on the front end, and then on the back end, it cleans the water. So that when people are building wells and digging wells in these countries, they don't think about the fact that you have to have both sewage and the well." He's got a system to do it. He called me. Opportunity. 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 Opportunity.